Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can use an AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini, anything like that really, to help support students before doing a speaking task. Lots of times in speaking tasks you might have students at different levels, it can be difficult to let everyone take part. So let's look at a couple of ways that we can use AI to help. All right, so you can see I've got ChatGPT open here and I've already got a prompt. So the prompt says my students are going to do this speaking task. We've got a place to input the CEFR level, so the level of the students, and we're asking the AI to create some sentence starters, sometimes called sentence stems, prompts basically that students can use to help them when they're speaking. So I'm just going to add my speaking task here. So I've just copied and pasted basically a slide, and this slide is a role play. So there's two roles. One's about a manager, and the other one's about an unmotivated member of staff. So this is probably for B2 level students. So I'm going to say that I've got some maybe A2 to B1 level students in my class. Well, let's say I don't want to overwhelm the students. So let's say I want maybe up to about 7 sentence stems that my students can use when they're doing this task. All right, so let's see what ChatGPT is able to come up with. All right, so what have we got here? 7 sentence starters. It's got 4 for student A and it's got 3 for B. So I'm just going to ask it to change that. Could you please write 7 for student A and 7 sentence stems also for student B? All right, so I'm just using that audio input there to make that a little bit faster. And here we go. Now we've got 7 sentence stems for A and 7 sentence stems for student B. Now, of course, that's useful, but if we've got 2 roles in a role play, we might want to think about our students and maybe which students would be better suited for which role. So I'm just going to add in another prompt here that says they're going to do this speaking task. Tell me which role is harder, which role is easier, and why. So we're going to pop that in there. And I've asked it to explain the reasoning. So it says that student B's got the easier role, A has got the harder one, and it explains why B is easier, why A is harder, and then that can help us choose one of those to use in class. So there you go, a couple of prompts that you could use straight away with pretty much any speaking task to help you let more students take part.